So I'll be going through the output of this Guess the Number Python 3 program. I'll paste this code in the description box below for you to play around with, or just use if you don't know, play around with it. Okay, so let's read this. Welcome to Guess the Number. In this game, a computer program will choose a number from 1 to 100, and you must guess what the number is. If your guess is too low, then it will say so. If your guess is too high, it will also say so. With these hints, you keep guessing until you guess the correct number. Good luck, hope you enjoy. Guess the number. So let's pick a random number from 1 to 100. So 76, too high, 40, too low, 60, too low, 70, too high, 68, too high, 67, too high, 65. You guessed correctly in 7 guesses, congratulations. And the point of this game is to guess the correct answer in as little guesses as possible. That'd be incredible if you could get it on your first try. I even made a special message in the program that says you guessed on your first try. You guessed correctly on your first try. And yeah, that would be really crazy if you did. That'd be a cool challenge. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.